U.S. President-elect Donald Trump will not go to jail, pay a fine, or be put on probation for his criminal conviction, stemming from hush money paid to a star, but the sentence imposed by a judge on Friday places a judgment of guilt on his record. Justice Juan Merchan's sentencing of Trump, 78, to unconditional discharge, just days before his January 20th inauguration, closes a case that had loomed over his bid to retake the White House. By granting an unconditional discharge, Merchan places a judgment of guilt on Trump's permanent record without any other legal penalty. Trump will be the first president to take office with a criminal conviction. Merchan said he was imposing the sentence because the U.S. Constitution shields presidents from U.S. prosecution, but he said the protections afforded to the office do not reduce the seriousness of a crime or justify its commission in any way. Trump pleaded not guilty and has vowed to appeal the guilty verdict. He appeared with his lawyer on TV. Screens beamed to the courtroom, with two American flags in the background. "It's been a political witch hunt," Trump said before sentencing, wearing a red tie with white stripes. "It was done to damage my reputation so I would lose the election, and obviously that didn't work. I'm totally innocent. I did nothing wrong," said Trump, who did not testify during the 6-week trial last year. Now that he has been sentenced, he is free to pursue the appeal, a process which could take years and play out. While he is serving a 4-year term as president, Trump fought tooth and nail to avoid the spectacle of being compelled to appear before a state-level judge, so close to when he is due to be sworn into office. The U.S. Supreme Court on Thursday rejected a last-minute bid by Trump to halt it. Trump flipped the script. He argued the case, along with 3 other criminal indictments and civil lawsuits accusing him of fraud, defamation, and sexual abuse, was an effort by opponents to weaponize the justice system against him and harm his re-election campaign. Trump called the judge a radical partisan. In a post on his Truth Social platform, Merchan said that setting aside the verdict would undermine the rule of law in immeasurable ways, and wrote that Trump's behavior during the trial showed disrespect for the judiciary. The defendant has gone to great lengths to broadcast on social media and other forums his lack of respect for judges, juries, grand juries, and the justice system as a whole, Merchan said.